I wish I could speak English well. I wish I could earn the money through teaching English. But I don't know how to start speaking English. I don't know how to learn English because I don't have any environment and any person because of which I can't speak English well. I am Hindi medium student. Even I am a housewife because of which I can't speak English. So how to start speaking English? I wanted to improve my communication skill. Even I have lots of confusion in my mind because I want to be perfect. I can't speak English well, but I don't have the practice. I don't listen the English video because of which I can't speak English. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Actually, I want to tell you how to start speaking English because all the learner have a question how to learn English because I have lots of confusion when we start speaking English in front of other people. So today in my video, I am going to tell you everything how to start speaking English and how to learn English. So what before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually your comment and your like is very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. As I am saying that how to learn English because all the learner have a question how to learn English, how to start speaking English. So today in my video I am going to tell you everything how did I learn English. Okay, actually I didn't have any environment and any person with whom I can speak English. So actually all the times I have the practice because of which I can speak English well, because I am not that good but I am learning English and I am having the practice day by day. So that's why I am telling to you, first step for improving English, practice. Practice is very necessary. Without practice we can't speak English. So when you start speaking English, when you want to learn English, so you should have the practice because practice is very necessary. Okay, actually without practice I can't think about speaking English. So practice is very necessary. Okay, and next step for improving English, if you want to improve your communication skill, you should listen. Actually listening power is very important. I have a one example because when one child he tried to speak language, his native language, but he doesn't know about any grammar and any words which he can speak his native language. So actually one child observes every person. Okay, one child consumes every person who speak his native language. So listening power is very important if you want to improve. Okay, so you should listen. Listening power is very important. If you are good listener, definitely you will be good speaker. So listening power is very important. Okay, next one. Actually all the times when we try to speak English, so that times I think what can I speak English well. Actually I don't have any environment. When we try to speak English in front of other people, so people make the fun. So how to start speaking English, how to start speaking English with other person. So all the times I have the question running in our mind. Okay, so I think avoid this question, only try to speak English. Okay, actually people have the work to say, so please don't care about any person. When you will be perfect at that, people will appreciate you. Okay, when you perfect. So I think we should not think about any person, only try to speak English because our focus on improving our communication skill, because our warning desired, because I want to be perfect English. So why, why do you think about other person? Okay, actually people have to work, I said before. So please only try to speak English. Even I don't have any environment and any person. Actually even I have lots of confusion, I have lots of hesitation when we start speaking English in front of other people. So that times people will make the fun. So how to start speaking English, because I don't have any environment and any person. So how to start? Actually I think this is our excuses who are making daily when we start speaking English. Okay, actually you can create environment. If you don't have any environment, so don't worry, you can speak with yourself, you can create environment. So why do you think about any environment and any person? Only try to speak English, because I have lots of device. I think mobile phone is a very good opportunity for you, because I have, actually there are so many videos in YouTube. You can watch, you can listen. So I think it's not possible. Okay, it's not what impossible, because you will not speak English well. It's not impossible. Okay, only try, only hard work. Okay, only put the effort into speaking English. Okay, if you have lot of hard work and practice, definitely you will be improve your communication skill. Okay, so actually this times I am I am speaking English well, because I am feeling something like this. So that's why I am telling to you, because this times I am speaking English well, but I am not that good, because I am trying to speak English well. Okay, actually I am having the practice with you. So that's why practice is very important. First of all, I would like to actually, I just want to tell you, if you want to improve your communication skill, you should have the practice. And second one, you should listen. And next one, you can start speak English with yourself. You should speak English with yourself. Okay, without hesitation, without confusing. Okay, only try to speak English. Don't think about any mistake is common thing. Native speaker make the mistake. So why are you thinking about mistake? So please, mistake is common thing. If you are make the mistake, definitely you will be perfect in English. Okay, so without mistake, without hesitation, without people's, only try to speak English, because you want to be perfect, and definitely you will be perfect in English. Okay, so in the end I am going to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. So I will meet next my video. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.